there for you anytime you need me.
Yeah.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you
Triple
need me.
Threat Thursday, Triple Vibes Radio.
I was all you ever needed.
Exclusive.
We be taking trips to different cities every weekend.
Kitty,
Drippy
kitty.
and designer, bought my wardrobe European.
Huh?
I be on me, got me looking like I'm skiing. I
Okay.
need me a real nigga that's gon' kill for this kitty cat. I ain't reach the top of the hill to be Jill and Jack. Bonnie Clyde, yeah, that type of feel, we gon' bring it back. Anytime you need me, keep it real, I got my nigga back. Fiend for your love, got me on my Mary Math shit. You ever cut me off, I be on my scary ass shit. Ride together, die together, everywhere we fly together. Us first dumb, they can die whenever. Fix a hot plate, you know who's your hot day. All I do is call daddy if I want the box say. He know I'ma make sure he good if he not straight. He know I'ma never tell the truth in a cop face.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me.
Shout out to Method Man though.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you need me.
Right now, Triple Vibes Radio. We live the Red Man, Triple Threat Thursday. Your boy, Mr. Dope Chef. Exclusive artist in the motherfucking Easy. Kitty Kitty.
Hey, the real
New
kitty
York,
kitty.
New York. The real Kitty Kitty. Don't get it twisted. You might get your wig smacked.
Hey,
Huh?
facts.
Yo, right now, we on Triple Threat Thursday. We had that exclusive play right there by an underrated
Triple Vibes.
person who basically came out of nowhere with bars and like really showed her versatility and not just looking beautiful and just basically having beauty, but being versatile with lyrics and making them actually have a fan base follow you now. Like, how you feel about that? Like, tell them where Kitty Kitty came from.
I feel good about it, you know. Like, you know, it shocked everybody because everybody thought I was just this like girl that do comedy stuff and all of that. But when I you know ended up on the radio and all that, and they heard my lyrics, it was like, yo, I fuck with your shit. Excuse my language and all that, but
Yeah, we uncensored, on raw, and uncut. Fuck that.
Triple Vibes.
Eh?
I feel
Triple
you. I
vibes.
feel you. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Anyway, so well, the name Kitty came from my tattoo I have on my chest. Every time a nigga try to holler, you know, when they try to holler, they was just, you know, they would be like, "Hello, Kitty."
We should have got a denied effect right there. A denied. Denied.
Triple
Dina.
Vibes.
That's where that try came in from. But, yeah.
So yeah, I got the name from that. You know, started working in the bar and all that. Everybody calling me Kitty. You know, there's you know more kitties out here, so I had to do it times two. So Kitty Kitty.
Yeah. Casanova's going to have a problem with you if you say times two again.
Casanova. Not
But
gonna
then
have
he
no
might
problem,
hug you
but-
right after.
Nah, Casanova is the homie. I
Yeah.
fuck with Casanova.
Casanova's a cool guy, man.
Yeah, he cool. He wild.
He good. So, like, your music, it came out of nowhere. What actually influenced you into the game to rap?
I don't know. I just always had like a little flow and all of that, you know. And every time I used to play around, like my homegirls and my boys and stuff, they used to be like, "Yo, you got a nice voice. Like, you know, take that shit serious." I never used to take it serious until, you know, people really started like, "Yo, you need to really do that." Like my fans and all of that, you know. So now I'm doing it.
What's the statement or mission that you're putting out in your music?
Well, it's not really a statement. I have like a whole bunch of different. If you want to say statement, I have a whole bunch of different statements.
Opinionated?
Yeah, every song is different. I don't have like one flow. I try to do as many different. I try to do party, you know, have fun, and then I try to, you know, 95% of my Instagram is guys. They don't want to hear no, you know, twerk song, you know, all of that unless there's ass in front of them.
Okay.
They want to hear some real gangster shit, something they could bump to in the car and all of that, you know. So I try to do, you know, a little bit of everything, and you know, for the kids too.
All right, so female artist that influences you, male artist that influences you.
Female artists. My favorite artist was always Monica. I don't know why, but I always like grew up around Monica and stuff like that. You know, I got older sisters and brothers, so like the old school music, Mary J. Blige, and you know, different ones like that. Guys, I don't know about the guys. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I don't know about the guys.
Damn, no.
Well, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. I used to like Nelly.
Nelly?
Nelly was my shit. I like
Nelly?
Nelly. Yes.
Triple Vibes.
Nelly?
Nelly.
Nelly,
Triple
Nelly, like
With
Nelly.
the Band-Aid and
Band-Aid and all that?
Yes, that was fire. Different
Yeah,
shit.
what was his hit? I forgot his hit. He
He
had
did one with Kelly Rowland. I fuck
Yeah.
with Kelly Rowland too, and Beyonce. You know, I like them as a group.
Like Nelly had Chingy and all of them, right?
Chingy was fire, but with that one Right There song.
I know he had a whole group. Nelly had something going, but I think Nelly went into like Boston and actually having a label that carried artists or something like that, right?
I don't know. I just liked his music.
You like the music,
I don't
so you
know
must.
nothing behind anything.
Okay, so what bars influenced you in Nelly's rap? Ooh,
He did the
oh.
that grill song.
Oh yeah, you right.
That was my shit.
Definitely right.
I don't know about the lines though. I
Triple
know he had
Vibes.
songs.
Yeah. So alright, so let's see. Where do you get your like structure from on how you go in the booth and you lay bars down? Like, does it just come from life living situations, or does it come from people around you?
It come from everything. It come from people, real life shit. You know, I go through a lot of shit. Everybody go through a lot of shit, but you know, when something happens, you know, you just gotta go in the booth. When you sad, go do a sad song. When you angry, go do an angry song. When you happy, go do a happy song. However you feeling, just go do it.
That's what's up. Alright, so this hit with name some of the artists you've been around.
I've been around a lot. Like I've been doing this since I was like, let's say 21.
Oh, we ain't giving out no ages, is we?
I ain't gonna give you my age though. But
So she said 21. She's been doing it from.
yeah,
so-
cause my mom was real strict, so she wasn't with all that club stuff and all of that, you know. So me coming out and all of that, I was around 21.
All right, so how is it as a female in the industry? Let's really touch on it, because you did a post earlier, like I think 30 minutes or 40 minutes before I thought she wasn't even showing up.
I was showing up.
But she was. She's about her business, let me tell you. But you did a post, and it related to how females are looked at in this time by guys, but you went at the females for being, you know, like hoes themselves, or like y'all becoming worse. Like, I don't understand that, because I was kind of confused, because it was mixy. It was like, yeah, you guys are liking this type of woman, but there's real women out there that are not like that. I don't know if that was the right message I was getting from it, or.
Well, to be honest, I haven't met another female that was on some like, you know, let me not say that. I can't say everything like that. I can't say I haven't met another female because I don't know everybody. But the ones I've been around, I see them do some wild shit, you know.
Oh, man.
And just be honest, I don't really want to talk much, but
Triple vibes.
so
Triple Vibes.
I ain't mad at these niggas, yo. I ain't mad. Yeah,
Down off of the road.
All right, so you definitely ain't mad at the guys.
not mad at all.
Well, are you mad at the females? Because that was like a shot at people who are provocative. Like, you have a nice structure as a female. I'm sure, you know, you get a lot of woos and guys hitting on you, or, you know, trying to basically game you, whatnot. But do you feel the mindset for women nowadays is different, to where they have to, like, go towards a guy that actually gives them this game and stuff like that, and it looks cool for media or whatnot? Like,
Kind of got me a little hyper with that one.
ooh.
Nah,
Oh, I thought she took off the shoes for a second. I thought you were going to start swinging at me, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, you saw how nervous I was? My leg is twitching. Yo, Shy. Yo, Shy, I know I got yours back up, but look, I started twitching and all that.
you got this shit.
Yeah.
You know what I was about to say? I ain't gonna say it. Yo, you need your security, right?
Oh, man, he fired.
That's what I was gonna say, but I ain't gonna say it.
Okay, yeah. But it's live direct exclusive. What else impacts your life? Like, I want to know more about you. Let's say your fans. What is something that they don't know about you? Like, hands down, no bullshit on any other shows, no, you know, freestyle challenge, nothing like that. What's something that impacts your life right now that's going to influence you to strive in this game?
Because, like, we're gonna go back to my post earlier.
Mhm.
Because girls feel like they gotta give their bodies to get what they want. Like, that's not how you do it. You feel me? Like, they think that that's how, like, you just, you know,
go see a nigga, fuck him, because that's what he's going to want to do. And then that nigga's not going to call you. And if he does, he just going to call you when he want to pop. You feel me? Like, I look at it like if I was homeless, if I was in the street, will that nigga pick me up? Like, that's how I look at it. Like, besides my looks and all of that, like, will that nigga pick me up? He got all this bread or whatever he want to say, whatever he can do for me. Will he really do it? Why he's not showing me? Why is he telling me? Feel me? So, I don't know. There's not a lot of real niggas out here at all.
Facts. I could agree to that, but in all sense, all these dudes that are doing this, don't you think the women manipulated that to where they get in the bag that route, and that's why they looked at like that?
I think a lot of niggas hurt a lot of females, and it's like, and social media has a lot to do with it now too, because you could just hit up a bitch in the DM, and all you got to do is offer her some money. I blame that on the clubs though, you know?
Yeah.
After they close down, these girls is out here.
Facts.
They don't got
I
no
mean,
jobs. So.
oh man, you can't. You went into that. So closed down. You could only be talking about very few clubs in New York City when you're saying closed down.
Yeah.
All
the lit clubs closed down.
So Lust, all the
Cityscapes,
big ones, Cityscapes.
Angels.
Cityscapes all closed down now?
Is it?
I thought it was
I think it
reopened.
is.
We just went to that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
See, I don't do strip clubs no more.
Oh, listen, it's a strip club, but I go because of music. You understand? Ladies, do not come towards me trying to ask for dollars, nothing like that.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm a
You
Jew
can't
when
be
it comes
doing
to
that.
the. Listen,
You
I'm
can't
a
go to
Jew.
strip clubs for music and not have no dollars.
Nah, but the thing is, I go for music because I'm actually securing the bag with artists, just like these women are securing the bag with the
You not
customers
doing
and
music, it's the
clientele.
people.
I got artists there. I got
All right,
your
I got you.
clientele
Got
there.
you.
You understand? So I have to secure them from different things that happen inside situations of clubs. You
See, your
understand?
job is different
So
though.
yeah, it definitely
If
is.
you an
different.
artist and you go into the strip club
Nah,
and
I'm
you
not
not
no
throwing no
artist,
money,
nah.
then don't go. You like book
Facts.
yourself in a showcase or
You
something.
know, yeah, that's
Because
definitely
niggas don't
true.
want to hear what you got to say unless you throw money.
How do you feel about strip clubs nowadays? The way it's actually formed and people making money from promoters to event, security, everything like that. Like, what's your opinion of that? Since you 200,000 people, like I don't know, security. Do they take you the back way or do they just let you
Yeah, I
go
always
in?
go through the back way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's lit. That's lit.
My ID been suspended for like
Celebrity
for
status.
like a year.
Hold on, we had to put out the
How
red
the fuck am I
rug when
getting
she
in
came.
anywhere?
Huh?
You gotta know I'm going through the back door. You heard?
Oh man, that's what's up. That's what's up. All right,
Nah,
so
let me stop.
let me ask you another thing. Pro weed, of course, right? Pro weed, like you smoke weed.
Oh yeah,
You think it should be legalized?
I think it should.
All right.
I don't
And-
see no problem with it.
And music, do you think drugs plays a big effect
Yeah.
in how people use drugs and do music, or is it the music that they have to conquer, so they need a bigger buzz and a bigger high to actually impact their lyrics and stuff like that to get more better?
You know what's crazy? Nowadays, it looks like you gotta be on Annie's and shit
Wow.
to be lit. It look like you gotta be drugged up for them to really want you. Like everybody that's lit be on some crazy shit.
I
Like,
mean,
their music is lit because they offer it, you know. But like,
I'm pro drugs.
I don't got no problem with it. That's their life. They do.
Yeah,
what
I
they
think
want.
everybody
Like,
has their own stride.
I smoke, so that's all I do though.
All right, so before you get in the booth, are you nervous? Do you write? Do you freestyle? Or does it take you long to actually get your whole idea together to lay down a verse?
It depends on the beat. If it's like a party beat, we go in there, we just make a hook, and then from that, it just flows,
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you gotta sit down and write it. You gotta really listen, because some beats you gotta really think about it. It's not something you want to rush.
All right.
You want your craft to be perfect.
Collabos that you've done.
Well, the one he just played was with Method Man.
Uh huh.
I did China Mac, I did K Goddess, I did Handsome Baller, along with Sosa, Geek, and JD. Yo, shout out to JD. Free him.
Free JD.
Free JD.
He was just here.
He needs to come home.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Like
Facts.
no bull crap. Like I see a lot of artists nowadays getting into music and trying to find the right way out and getting trapped off because they're really telling their life stories. On some of these artists that come up, they really have to grind like that because there ain't no community services or any type of programs helping these kids. So, you know, like I don't find, I think there should be less attraction to that type of media, and people should focus on the fact that these are kids that didn't have role models. They didn't have any good influences to make them say, oh, let me do something the legal way, if everything around society is shown negative. So, you know, how you feel about artists and gangs?
I don't feel no way because I'm not affiliated with nothing.
Oh, yeah,
So I
you
don't
heard
feel
that?
no way.
Say that again. It's good being neutral, right?
I'm neutral. I don't understand. I don't know nothing. Don't ask me who. I don't know what.
Good.
Kitty.
You see, now
Let's get it.
I just proved my point with this. This is what everybody has to do in the industry right now. You don't know anything. That's the key thing to actually
I don't
stay
know
in this.
anything.
No, but I'm saying, like, for everybody out there, this is how they should be. This is how they should carry themselves. If you looking to establish yourself as an artist, your dirt really has to be under that rug. You understand? And I feel like a lot of artists that come out, they come out establishing themselves, but quickly get caught up in their own hype.
You know why? Because they feel like they need a team to do what they got to do. I don't think you need a team. I think you just need consistency.
Yo,
That's it.
right now, Free Gutter. I can't wait till Bobby Shmurda gets home, and Rowdy Rebel, 90s. Everybody part of GS9. Trust that a lot of good things are going to happen. And, you know, like in Denver's for everybody, it don't matter what you are. You understand? If you putting music out and sound, all these artists going to come out. She
Yeah,
has
Bobby
a
need to
unique
give me
sound.
a feature.
Who?
Bobby need to give me a feature as soon as he gets
Oh,
home.
wait till you get home. Man.
What?
Yo, Sha, this is going to change. Big time. Eh? Look, so your music now, it impacted the game quick. Like a lot of people didn't think you were serious.
I
How you
played
feel?
around and it just, you
It
know.
clicked, right?
Yeah.
Snap.
Yeah.
That's what it is. You know, like so
And you know what's so crazy? Like, I don't even know. I was just playing around, and I was supposed to go home because, you know, I got kids. I got to go bring them to school in the
Oh.
morning. It was like 5 o'clock. I was an hour and a half away from my crib, you know.
ooh.
And I kept walking out to go home, but something kept holding me back. Like, don't leave.
This is a good question, and I don't want to get that deep into business. We're just gonna state the kids' age. How old are they?
I got an 8 and 10-year-old.
8 and 10-year-old. The music you do, can your kids hear it? And do you feel that it's structured to where you can explain what you're doing at this age to them?
Well, every time I do a song, I show it to my kids.
Nice.
And if they like it, then I fuck with it. Then I rock with it. If they don't like it, it never happened. I go with what they like for some reason. I don't know. Especially in my 8-year-old, like, he be on it. He be like,
Yeah.
Ma, you need to do this and you need to do that. Like, he keeps me up to date.
What genre is like your style? Like trap, drill, hip hop, or it's just all?
I want to do all. Right now, it's hip hop, rap, you know, pop,
I heard some drill shit the other day.
Triple vibes.
drill.
You understand? Like she came pretty hard. A lot of people kept hearing it this week, and it was pretty snappy. And you know, a lot of people were on the track, but you shined on that one. You know,
Which
with
one?
the nice hook.
Which one you talking about?
Yo, which one is that, Trev? We got Trev Moolah in the building right now. Lights, camera, action.
Triple vibes.
Yeah, so you know, like
Okay,
definitely.
this
have
the one
us
that just
listen.
did the paparazzi post, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, facts.
I saw them talking shit early on live.
Oh, we. Yo, bro.
Kitty got eyes everywhere.
Oh man, is it like that?
Nah, I'm playing.
Kitty has eyes
You
everywhere.
know I was nosy. I just clicked on it.
Okay. Lit. All right, so you know our artists are basically social network savvy. They're getting on the lives nowadays. And what you said? Talking they shit?
Wait, I don't
They
know.
talking they shit. You understand? Ain't no censored here. So, how you felt like you looking at other artists? You looked at the video that they did. How you felt about that video? That's a
thought it was
trailer.
fine.
You know that, right?
Oh yeah,
That's just a trailer. Yeah,
I don't know what that is.
trailer is just a snippet of the real video.
Oh, I thought you meant the other Trey Ray.
Oh no, trailer.
Oh, a
No,
trailer.
don't even mention trailer. Yo, listen. Yo. This show became censored real quick. Listen.
A trailer.
Man. A trailer, yeah.
All right.
Trailer.
All right.
Trailer. Nothing with Wade, nothing with anything else. Three
bad.
or anything
Pause.
like that. Pause. Metaphorically
We don't have
be
to say
nice.
that.
Nah, that's gonna stay right in there. It's all good. I mean, she meant that there was a way that triple vibes was Trey, and I said it was triple threat Thursday, so it's 3 T's.
Facts.
I just covered that real good.
You sure did. I hope you.
But yo, we got
I'm Master DJ Shablock, you know what thing going on, man? Lock the road. Crack the code, Shablock a lock the road. Come.
we back on Triple Vibes, man. DJ Shaw Black in the building. Trev Mulan in the building. We got pure kitty, the real kitty, the no joke kitty, the baby powder throwing air, smack your face kitty with that power lyrics of a style
Spit
that
in
she
the
has.
hand slap,
Spitter,
kitty.
kitty. So, yo, what's next for you?
I just want to drop my project. I want to drop everything. Just have fun with it.
Have fun with it.
Just have fun with it. That's
So
it.
you're
I want
gonna-
everybody to have fun with
You're
it.
officially gonna lock yourself in the studio and everything like that.
Yeah, don't ask me to go out. Don't hit me up, nothing. If you ain't paying
hear
me,
that?
nothing.
Listen,
I'm sorry, but I fuck with a lot of you niggas, but don't hit me up for free.
it's over.
Not right now.
It's over.
Triple vibes.
On Triple Vibes.
Let me be out. You heard?
Yo, it's a wrap. Listen, so to go out and stuff like that, like you want to discuss that on here, or like you just want people to contact some type of management or collective or whatever you're gonna get a part of.
Nah, I just need an investor
You hear that, investors?
That's
Stay
it.
tuned.
and some real niggas. That's it.
Okay, all right.
Real
well,
bitches, real niggas, real people. Get that
Damn.
fake phony shit away from me.
fake phony shit away from her, please. Please, you don't want to see the bad kitty. She got some bars. Listen, I was hearing some shit the other day. The shit was crazy. I was like, oh. Then I heard another artist, and it was like,
I don't know what you're talking about.
Lord, have mercy, bro. I walked out the room when she started.
Niggas.
Yo, bro. Yo, this is uncut and raw. Like, I thought it would have been better. But, like, I was just like, hold up. Nah, it's probably because everybody was buzzed. I wasn't that buzzed, so I was a little heated. And then the time it was, too. So, but I felt her shit. Her shit was dumping. Like, we had Trev Mula, engineering. And it was literally something that I wanted everybody to get on, and it was just like a dun 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 dun, and we heard the track a couple times, and there was some good featured people on there, and I just see it still sitting and getting dust. So how you feel about tracks that are basically shelved? Because it happens, right?
What?
Tracks that are shelved, like artists do, and they just leave there on hold and stuff like that. How do you feel about that?
I do that, so I can't talk.
Well, how you feel about you leaving a track like that?
Yeah, I don't like that. But you know why? I feel like everything has a time.
Everything has a time.
Don't wait too long though, but everything has a time.
I could literally say that, cause that's amazing. That is amazing that she said that. I said that earlier because we were talking about the track, "City with Demons," and nobody knows this. I'll say this first time on air. That beat that I did, that's from 2004. All my beats are being released now. So, you understand? Even with that track, it was something that I heard, and they started playing around with it. Actually, no, this is a track we did on New Year's, right? Yeah. So, New Year's, we put this track on, literally brought in the New Year's, rapping this and recording this inside the studio. And it was just amazing because it was from back then. And it wasn't shit back then. It was laughed at. And
But
people
now
were like,
everybody's like, it's
now
fire.
I haven't seen one bad comment under that track. Over 20, 30,000 views already. You understand? Probably at 40,000. And that's a trailer. That's serious.
That's
and I'm
fire.
just playing around with it. I want I'm just playing around with it. But
It's fire.
on to you, like the chemistry between making a track, because this is where I was going with that. The chemistry of actually giving your verse to people who have less energy as opposed to people who have greater energy, and how do you differentiate that on the track, and how do you feel comfortable doing the track?
Well, when I do a feature or somebody's doing a feature for me, I don't go worrying about how they like what type of energy they come in, because that's how they felt about the beat. So I'm not gonna sit there and judge how they come in. I can be fast and they can be slow. That's dumb. I just know how I'm coming. That's all I'm worried about. How I'm coming. Like that's it.
And you don't feel like the concept has to be the same sometimes, or like one will try to do something different to make the concept adjust as opposed to another artist just cause?
If it sounds kind of crazy to me, I'm gonna tell them like, yo, you should do it like this. I'm gonna give my opinion. But you know, sometimes when you be too real, like people feel like you hating. You know,
I get
so
that
like
a lot.
sometimes you just gotta shut up. You know, and then they gotta hear it from other people for you to know, for them to believe you. Like I don't know. So I could give my opinion, but sometimes you just gotta just be quiet.
Excuse me, coffee. I'm sorry. This
No,
is
you
live
good.
on air. We wanted to test this coffee right here. And this coffee is basically made directly. Oh, I have to raise it up a little. Okay, there we go. There we go, kid.
It's
So
a
this
French
coffee
vanilla.
was French vanilla, and it was made by the machine. I asked if she put sugars. She said no. I don't think French vanilla needs sugars nowadays.
Exactly. The one from the
So-
machine don't need the sugar.
I knew it, bro. She
Fire.
got lean in this. Yo, she got lean in this, bro.
Don't play
Let me
yourself.
stop. Let me stop. It's just a joke, people. It's real coffee
Who
and
put
everything
lean in
like
coffee
that.
though?
What? They got all.
I thought you supposed to put it in Sprite.
You had never thought there was watermelon weed, strawberry weed, all this type of weed. Like, come on.
Yo,
Get
where the
that.
hell's my snacks?
Oh, she trying to get a rider right now. Like, what? Snacks?
I don't even know where I put them at.
What snacks? So, what do you eat as for our snacks? Let's get to the grunt. We might as well say everything here. Like, let's get to know you. So, I'm gonna ask you a question, and you have to come rapid. You ready? I'm just asking. Don't kill me. I'm the interviewer. That smile. Oh man, priceless.
You didn't say all of that.
You ready? Yeah, the smile is priceless.
Mhm.
All right, so you ready?
Let's go.
You sure?
Let's go.
All right. Sport.
I don't play with no sport. I don't play with no sports, but I fuck with these dogs.
Best movie.
Chilling with Fiery, talking about viral movie.
Track that makes you laugh.
Laugh Cash.
Cash. Who's Cash by?
Huh?
A track?
You say Cash.
Oh, so you're doing different. Okay, I get you. Metaphor.
Wait, you said what you said?
Got her on the mix.
Alright.
Chicka, boom,
This
boom.
is what happens when you smoke on an interview.
Yeah. Oh man, that's true. That's true. We both smoke, but I don't get that. Listen. All right. So what else?
You
What
know, I'm half
concerts-
comedian, you know?
You have comedian?
I'm half comedian.
Oh yeah. Hold up. We
Don't
ain't touch
forget
on
I'm
that.
half
We ain't
comedian,
touch.
bro.
Yo, you used to do.
You
the
want me to
skits.
give all the
What
sauce
happened?
with all these
Yeah,
freestyles?
yeah.
Let me show my comedian side.
What happened with the skits?
What the hell? 5e movie, like I said.
5e movie?
That's why I was fucking around.
I thought she just said Arabic shit. 5e. Yo, alright, so
He blowing my high.
oh, man, only on air I could do this. I'm telling you, it's great. All right, so what type of things you like to do in life that inspire you?
I just like to be with my kids.
Kids.
Mom things.
So you a mom before the music?
I'm
Big
a mom
time.
for anything.
Before anything.
For anything. If I have to give it up for my kids, I'm going to do that.
That's what's up. So we have another track. Matter of fact, I want to rewind that. Let's get that track and let's go 2 bars at a time of what you're saying on this track. We're going to do some genius type shit here.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me.
Yeah.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. For anytime you need me.
Kitty, I was all you ever needed. We be taking trips to different cities every weekend. Drip me in designer, bought my wardrobe European. I be on me, got me looking like I'm scared.
Okay.
I can be a real nigga that's gon' kill for this kitty cat. I ain't reaching top of the hill to be Dylan Jack. Bonnie Clyde, yeah, that type of feel. We gon' bring it back. Anytime you need me, keep it real. I got my nigga back. Fiend for your love, got me on my Mary Mac shit. Whoever cut me off, I be on my scary ass shit. Fight together, die together, everywhere we fly together. Us first dumb, they can die with never. Fix a hot plate, you know who's your hot date. All I do is call daddy. If I want the box 8, he know I'ma make sure he good if he not straight. He know I'ma never tell the truth in the cop face.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. For anytime you need me.
Yo.
Ma could never be a groupie. BB Dub on that BBD, she just wanna do me. No, I got that BBC and she just tryna boo me. Make a babe, but at the end of the day, I just want a floozy. Someone to send me nudies, I hit her back, you a cutie. I let her hold my jewelry, she hold me down with the jury. Just you and me, I hold you down with impunity. At Schoolie D, teach you what lack of class is truancy. She crazy in love, it's loyalty over lunacy. This D is not community, I done had opportunities. Only my lady got diplomatic immunity. The queen said it's unity, we ain't down with the coonery.
Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. Surely I'm there for you anytime you need me. For anytime you need me. For anytime you need me.
I'm my genius. Yes, to you, boy.
Hey, motherfucking vibes.
Never could have made it without you. Never.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Live direct.
whoa,
Live direct.
whoa.
Live
It's
direct.
legendary, man. On beat, whoa, let's do it. Sosa, creaming through. The only move never needed you. Me and Marley in the vehicle. Brown past me ain't seen you. In a one-on-one, just me and you. Hop out, 3-2. Bubble now, get your fish through. Swing around if unreachable. Never would came this far. For the label, leave me first. That nigga pop first. Oh, mama, I owe you the earth. Look, hold on, wait, Sosa. You don't want me to approach ya. Pull up, it's over. That body on the sofa. Bowling with me, EY. Bigger picture, take a screenshot. Drop a nigga, he rock. They watch a nigga, G-Shot. They don't know what's my name. Spanish bitch, I gave a dick, she can't handle it. Took me to the back, remanded it. She come when she a mannequin. Record the top, make the camera lit. Spread the love, get your man ahead. Shout out Peter, how you landed it. Funny vibes in the film. Hold on, wait.
Flexing, all the money I invest in. I can spend it on a necklace. Put the dick on her intestines. Skirt off and take the exit. Ayy, 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 skirt off and take the
Yo,
exit.
this is the part that's not even leaked out on the radio,
So you
though.
a movie. Oh my god, cause she do me. She a fan, she a groupie. 2 cars, that's 2 seats.
It is now.
There was 5 of us on that song.
Ayy, ayy.
There was 5 of us on that song. Y'all only heard 3.
All the hot they Aggie. All the perk made me happy. Pouring Hennessy from last week. JD with me and he speeding. Young nigga hit demon. All the odds to relieve him.
long
His
ass
side keep
song.
him dreaming.
5 people.
Bow. Whoa. Show. Hold up. It's Marlon G. Going viral now with JD. Superstar. Legendary. Action movies now with Katie. Clap for clap. Fell in love with things. I go brat the that. Pack the strap. Baller with me. Shooting niggas back to back. Nina's bang. Too much commissary. Tell them free the gang. Demon shit. Social with me. Geek and get to geeking shit. Woo York. Baby, hold my glizzy while I woo walk. Move smart. I got some niggas plotting. Let it cool off. Labels calling self to set the beat. We gotta slay it for 'em. Stay recording. See you got that feature, but you paid it for 'em. Clover OMG. Niggas try to kill me, they like 0 and 3. It's O and B. I showed her 50 bands, now she like OMG.
Handsome baller, baby, ain't another nigga cloning me. Mike and Mary cost me 1,500, who exposing me? I'm stepping in, I'm flexing with the baddest on my side. And I got it from the bottom, got it right. She calling me, she stalking me. I met the bitch through Molly G. Texting down my phone like,
Baller, why you keep ignoring me?
unfortunately, I'm ballin', see, I gotta move so cautiously. Lil' baby, I could fuck you for the night, but no recording me. But she a tree, she eat it up, she gon' eat it up. She a tree, she eat it up, she gon' eat it up.
You niggas is practical, bitch, I'm an animal. Cause see what these hands could do. He wanna know if the rose is red, stack in my hand is blue. This is a panic room, you play and I can't go boom. Pretty with attitude, I'm the savage mood. They shit my ass won't hand it to him. Curse game on a million, verse game on a billion, curve game on a trillion. The worst case I was feeling, get into a bag somewhere. You probably mad somewhere. You need to sit your ass somewhere. I need to stash your cash somewhere. That bullshit I do not buy. So if I was you, I would not try. No bullet that'll keep a thought quiet. You not with me if you not riding. Top down, but the drop smiling. Can't even say that I'm not wildin'. Your bitch look like a rock water. 100K on me like my followers. I'm an animal, cause see what these hands could do. He wanna know if the rose is red, the stack in my hand is blue. This is a panic room, you play and I can't go boom. Pretty with attitude, I'm the savage mood. They shit my ass won't hand it to him. Curse game on a million, verse game on a billion, curve game on a trillion. The worst case I was feeling, get into a bag somewhere. You probably mad somewhere. You need to sit your ass somewhere. I need to stash your cash somewhere. That bullshit I do not buy. So if I was you, I would not try. No bullet that'll keep a thought quiet. You not with me if you not riding. Top down, but the drop smiling. Can't even say that I'm not wildin'. Your bitch look like a rock water. 100K on me like my followers.
She a tree, she eat it up, she gon' eat it up. She a tree, she eat it up, she gon' eat it up.
You niggas is practical, bitch, I'm an animal. Cause see what these hands could do. He wanna know if the rose is red, the stack in my hand is blue. This is a panic room, you play and I can't go boom. Pretty with attitude, I'm the savage mood. They shit my ass won't hand it to him. Curse game on a million, verse game on a billion, curve game on a trillion. The worst case I was feeling, get into a bag somewhere. You probably mad somewhere. You need to sit your ass somewhere. I need to stash your cash somewhere. That bullshit I do not buy. So if I was you, I would not try. You niggas is bullet that'll keep a thought quiet. You not with me if you not riding. You niggas is practical, bitch, I'm an animal. Cause see what these hands could do. You niggas is practical, bitch, I'm an animal. Cause see what these hands could do. You niggas is, he wanna know if the rose is red, the stack in my hand is